compass needle curdles in the glass. 5 years of salt, 5 years of static mass. The bus is a phantom, a vapor, a lie, and I've watched every star in the firmament die. My patience is a fever, a dry, brittle thing. Watch how the harbor bells cease their ring. I bring a gift for the gates you keep shut, a signature carved in the ginger rot. Open the ports, let the misery bloom. I am the harvest of the ocean's bloom. Not by the cannon, not by the flame, but by the breath that carries my name. They wither. The flesh turns to ash in the heat of my spite. They shudder. The captain's cough claims the end of the night. It clings to the timber, it thrives in the bile, a pathogen born from 1,000-mile mile. It blooms in the lungs of the merchants and lords, sharper than steel and more silent than swords. The skin turns to copper, the joints lock in red. I'm painting the town in the hues of the dead. The port is a casket, the harbor a grave, for all of the ones who are too proud to save. Open the ports, let the misery bloom. I am the harvest of the ocean's gloom. Not by the cannon, not by the flame, but by the breath that carries my name. They wither. The flesh turns to ash in the heat of my spite. They shudder. The captain's cough claims the end of the night. Wheezing in the shadows, blood in the gutter. The ginger rot creeping, a feverish stutter. From the docks to the cathedral, the pestilence clings. The price of the ocean and the terror it brings. It spreads like a whisper, it kills like a vow. You'll kneel for the captain, you'll bow to him now. Open the ports, let the misery bloom. I am the harvest of the ocean's gloom. Not by the cannon that carries my name. The flesh turns to ash in the heat of my spine. The captain's cough claims the end of the night. Spread it. Let them know I'm coming.